Potentially. Maybe it's like, maybe it would just be like, dude, I think I'm gonna upload this today. We gotta work on something for the Supra. You know?
Yeah.
If we're just talking about like, because it's like I just shot this and like, man, maybe we could. Oh, mother. I thought it was taking a picture. just took a picture.
Really?
Yeah. Oh dang it. I'd say let's do something with the Supra.
Hey, it's what?
It's nice out. We got one break in the cold.
It's not raining. So,
54.
hey, I'm down if you're down.
Let's do it.
Sweet.
So how long ago did you actually wash this car?
That's a good question. I don't think it's been washed since Prince touched it, to be honest with you.
I mean, it's gonna look good under the dirt. It looks great under the dirt.
That's true. You want to hear it?
Yeah, I do. I do want to hear it. Hold on. All right, all right. I mean, if anything, that's gonna get a couple views. That's gonna get a couple views. So I guess we're just gonna go head up to the mountain, get some videos,
Yeah, I think we have time.
some pictures. The light's pretty decent.
Got at least an hour.
Yeah, let's do that, man. Let's do it. Sweet, so I think we're gonna go get some drone footage up on the mountain. I don't know how any of this is gonna look, so forgive me if this isn't fantastic, but it's the casual enthusiast, not the professional enthusiast. I'm gonna try to catch up to Brad. We're heading to the top of the mountain, try and get some drone footage and stuff of the car. He's gonna sell the Supra soon, so I wanna get a little bit of it. You know, it's a freaking Supra, so I want to try to get as much content with the Supra as we can before he sells it. So, while we're waiting for Brad, I just want to take this chance to welcome you guys to the channel. This is The Casual Enthusiast. If you're not a subscriber, consider it, I don't know. The lighting is pretty good. We're going to try and get the drone up. It's not super windy, so we'll just see what we can get. Yeah, we didn't expect there to be a car show going on, so we're not going to get exactly all the footage we wanted. You know, unplanned things.
It's impromptu, it's okay.
Impromptu. That's how these things go.
Hey man, for a track car, you can
Fit
you know a lot of stuff in here,
You
man.
fit a good bit in here. Yeah.
Dude, sweet.
You can fit like.
I actually never realized how clean this is. Did you reupholster this?
No. That's the stuff it came with.
No way.
That's the factory carpet.
Sweet.
Good old 140,000 mile Corvette.
Dude, right on, man. The Supra's been awesome, but you know, move on to bigger, better things. I'll eventually get back into the Supra. We'll see. I just I'll explain all that in the other video, so I don't want to bore you guys here.
I did get a little intro. A little intro earlier. Brad hasn't seen it yet.
Dude, I'm stoked.